There is something wrong with your exhaust pipe. 7 out of 10. That's one thing with that car that never, ever, ever fails to amaze me. Don't cut your catalytic converters off. Send them to Ace Car Breakers. I'm joking. I'm not joking. Woo! Yes people, so we're back today with another video. It's your boy HA and I've got some interesting stuff coming today. We're talking figures, we're talking numbers, we're talking BMW M2, we're talking Audi R8, and I'm taking this McLaren to a secret location to do some naughty pictures with an up and coming photographer. But you don't want to miss this one, it's going to be sick. So yes my friends, welcome back to another video. So my first series on the channel was an M2. I don't know if you've watched it, but if you haven't, go watch that now. There's a link in the top corner. And I bought it off Copart and I paid £20,000 basically on the dot for it. So it was a decent steal. It was a 2018 M2 LCI. Lovely car, by the way, absolute weapon. So 20 grand it cost me back from Copart. I called up BMW, ordered the part straight out BMW because I thought I might as well get the part straight out of the main dealer because then I can invoice for them. And when you're selling salvage, not even salvage, just cars, honesty and transparency sells. When you're lying and being deceitful, it doesn't. So I thought if I get the invoices for the cars, then people can see exactly where I got the parts from and they know that they're genuine, and I'm returning it back to a genuine BMW. There's no aftermarket rubbish on there. So I spent £1,500 in total on parts for the BM, and then another £500 on labour, and then all that was left to do was to paint it. And it had the bonnet, the bumper, and the wing to paint, and there was a couple other dents, little scratches that needed to be sorted. So then with the painting and all of the work and the car itself, the car owed me £22,500 done. So the paintwork was £500, and then I sold the car for a grand total of £24,000. I made a decent amount of it. I could have turned it around quicker if I wasn't filming it on YouTube and making content. Obviously I wanted to keep hold of the car a little bit longer, but without that I could have got it done. Literally, it was only 3 days labour, so it was in and out like that. I could have sold it on within 3 weeks. That was the score with the M2. It was a decent little series. It gave birth to the channel as it is now. Without her, we wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be there. R8 sold, just thought I'd let you know. That's found a new home, a new happy owner, as I'm sure. Basically got the exact same money back for it. So we're good, we move. No love lost, no money lost. So it was cushy. So that is all done. I'm looking forward to getting some new rebuilds on the channel soon. I don't know what they're going to be yet. As I said, C63, S63, very much on the cards. There's a lot coming in the next few months, so make sure you hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out. Anyway, we're nearly at Blue Water now, so I'm going to leave you guys. Oh no, quickly, before I do, a little idea we've got with a Picasso. So I've been researching engine swaps, and as you can probably tell, it's a bit hard to swap a Picasso because not much goes into it other than Citroen stuff. And I wanted it a little bit faster than that. So my plan is to cut the shell and take literally the exterior of the Picasso and weld it onto the wheelbase and axle and use all the engine and interior of another car. So literally it'll just be the exterior shell that gets welded onto something else. So I'm not sure what car to use yet, but I'm talking to my mechanic tomorrow to discuss that. But yeah, that is going to be sick. So tell me what you guys think. What car do you think I should put it on? And yeah, let's go from there. We might be able to use one of your guys' suggestions. Wowzer, you trying to kill me? And yeah, get it on the channel. But anyway, let's go and meet up with Aaron, get some sick photos, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Alright, boom, so we're here. Here is Aaron, the man of the moment. I've heard he is the pinnacle of car photography. He's the upcoming genius behind the camera. So have a check out his Instagram. I'll put a link here. Have a little look at it for you. Said today I'll come down, he can shoot some shots of the car, do whatever he wants, get some angles, get all the right things, and get me some banging pictures. So there he is doing his thing. I must admit, she's looking pretty naughty there, sat like that. Yeah, he's gonna do his thing. He's gonna do some round shots, do some shots like that. He's probably gonna give me some lessons because I'm absolutely at taking pictures of cars. It's all out of frame. Like you see my Instagram, there's no pictures of cars in there because everyone I take is absolutely So yeah, I'm going to ask him a few questions in a minute, but I'll let him crack on, let him do some work, and I won't get in his way. Because you know what it's like when you're working, someone in your way, you just want to elbow him out of it, don't you? got his setup there. I'm gonna go over and ask him how he does it and what the trick is, because obviously I need to know. So what is the secret to getting the right angles on the car shots, yeah? I need to know.
Basically, it's best to look around the car and see all the different curves and all the different styles of the car. Just basically work off your eye and use your imagination the best as possible you can.
So like the angle from the side, is that the best angle? Because I normally go at the front and it just looks terrible.
You mean just as
yeah,
a
like this
shot?
angle here, is this the best angle?
Yeah, because the car's got most of its curves here. So.
Oh, right, yeah, I see. So you're actually looking, so it's different for each car then? So
yeah,
you'll like look at a different car and go,
every car's different.
Right, got you. You've got to feel the car, you've got to breathe the car. It's all about passion. Do you ever have people get funny about taking pictures, or is everyone happy? Yeah.
There's a few people, but as long as you like, if they like sat in the car and stuff, always make sure you ask their permission.
But I had it in London. I was taking pictures in front of some guy's McLaren when I was setting up my clothing brand, and he ran out of his house and come out and went, "Don't take pictures in front of my car." I was like, "Whoa, sorry about that, mate." But we carried on anyway. I think the car park are seeing us using their lights, and they're turning them off. They're taking the right mick out of us, yeah. There's a couple curved alloys there, but we're going to ignore that because they will be done very soon. And this car is actually going to be featured in a music video very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled, because I'm not going to say whose or what one, but it will be in one. And if you see it, tag me in the comments. I'm joking. I'm not joking. One thing I noticed the other day with this car is if you look at the front here with the lights and like the splitter section, it actually is the McLaren emblem there. So they've done an absolute A1 job with the design there, because they've actually made it look like a McLaren. They've used the McLaren shape as many points throughout the car as possible, and that takes some thinking. And I actually pulled it and I was parked over 2 spaces, and Aaron said, "Put it in the bay." I was like, yeah, it did look like a bit of a donut. Don't want to highlight the fact I can't park, because I can park. And if you haven't seen me park, go and watch my handbrake parking video now, where I show you how good I am at parking. I'm doing laps around the car trying to not get in the camera. Honestly, I'm literally sprinting like this. Oh, turn the lights on! Hey!
I've learned to use the manual mode, which is basically the full freedom of the camera. I do all the exposure.
It's like driving a car without traction on.
Yeah. Everything's manual focus, so nothing's auto at all. It's all just...
So you're not just turning up and pressing the button, there's so much going into it, yeah.
Always.
See, and that's what I do. When I turn up to take a picture, especially now, all I've done is press the play button on the video, and now it's playing. So whatever the camera sees is what happens. It's not about what I see, and that's the difference between skill and someone who hasn't got a clue. So, yeah, amateur and professional. That's one thing with that car that never, ever, ever fails to amaze me, is when the doors open like that. It looks like it's flying. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh, look at the way the doors go up. When I actually bought all the new parts for it, this was one part I didn't order, and you'll be surprised at how much that actually is. Do you know how much that is?
How much?
I don't know.
Tell us.
But I didn't buy it. I don't know. I don't know. If you know, tell me, but I don't. You can hear me, but you can't see me. There he is, here he is. He's back again. He's back again. Wouldn't be right to do a video this style without giving you guys a crep check. So we've got the Easy 700s on the classics. You know, the first edition, first release. I did get them on first release as well, so they're the OG ones, but I know they have released more since then. Oh, you it? Don't know what that is. It's a Seat Ibiza, I think. I'll give you a rev competition. Woo! Sounds right, to be fair. Not bad, not bad. 7 out of 10. Look, it's like Sirius Black just turned up. There is something wrong with your exhaust pipe. And that's what happens when you cut the cat off your car, people. You leave everywhere in a cloud of black. So thanks for that. Don't cut your catalytic converters off. Send them to Ace Car Breakers, because we pay the best money. Just remember that. We're gonna get some rolling shots for you now, which I'm gonna roll. anyway, that's a wrap from Aaron. He said it's all done. I'll get the wavy shots out to you very, very soon, and I'll put them in my next video. But there's his card. Look, Aaron Wall Photography. There he is. Give thanks to the big man. Thank you very much. Catch up with you soon, and we'll get another shoot going, yeah? But until next time, guys, Henry Arnold, peace out.